In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make glow text in Photoshop. We'll start from a blank file or an existing design and finish with clean, convincing glow you can tweak anytime. First, launch Adobe Photoshop on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Next, open a file you want to add glowing text to or create a new document. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that suits your final use, and consider a background that will show off the glow. Darker backgrounds make light effects pop, while lighter ones give a softer look. Now, select the Text tool, shortcut T, click once on the canvas, and type your desired text. Any font will work. Bold or semi-bold styles often help the glow read clearly. When you're done typing, confirm the edit so the text sits on its own layer in the Layers panel. With that text layer selected, go to the top menu and choose Layer. From there, click Layer Style and then select Outer Glow. This opens the Layer Style dialog with Outer Glow controls, and you'll see a live preview of your change. Let's tune the effect. For blend mode, set it to Screen or Linear Dodge, Add, for the most realistic light emission. Screen produces a gentle, luminous lift, while Linear Dodge is more intense and can create a brighter, punchier edge. Choose the one that fits your design's mood. Opacity controls how transparent the glow appears. Increase it to make the glow stronger and more visible, or lower it for a subtle haze that blends into the background. Spread adjusts how gradually the glow fades. Lower percentages, near 0, create a softer, more natural fall-off. Higher values give you a harder edge, which can look artificial if pushed too far. So nudge carefully until the transition feels smooth. Size determines how far the glow extends from the text. Slide it up to make the glow larger and fill more space around your lettering. Keep in mind that higher resolution documents typically require higher size values to produce the same visual reach. When you're happy with the look, click OK to save your settings. If you want to revisit the effect later, just double-click Outer Glow beneath your text layer in the Layers panel to reopen those exact controls and refine them. That's it. Launch Photoshop, add your text, apply Outer Glow, refine blend mode, opacity, spread, and size, and confirm. With these essentials, you can create clean, consistent glow text for headers, thumbnails, or posters in just a minute.